Hey guys, they say wonders shall never cease to end. This will shock you. Another budget was done underground apart from what National Assembly approved. Northern senators allege. The forum claimed that they had seen the huge damage that was done not only to the North but to the entire country in the budget. How did this happen? How did this happen? What have we even done as Nigeria to deserve all this? Nigeria is a classic example of a criminal entity. Unthinkable things happen, like a court passing a verdict and presenting another to the public, like in Kano, and passing a budget and implementing another unpassed budget. Wonders shall never cease to end. They will always deny it, and they are going to deny it because they are denying it already. How did this happen? How did this? This is really a big shock. Anyway, those of us who do not understand who these senators, who these politicians are, we see it as a shock. These people, they don't care about Nigerians. Though Nigerian majority of people are saying the Northerners are aggrieved, this and that. That is why they are exposing what they are exposing. So that means all these things have been happening. So if the Northerners are not aggrieved, they won't be, splitting these things out. So is that what they are saying? I am just looking at my comment section. Some persons are saying Northerners are aggrieved. They are angry. I don't understand. They are angry, and they should keep quiet about padded 3 trillion naira we are talking about. 3 trillion. I don't even understand what these people use this money to do. How do you feel when you and your family are comfortable? People cannot even eat 3 square meals in a day. The road you are driving, if they pass, pothole don't full up. Nigerians are being kidnapped on the way because on the road because of bad road. There are so many places in Nigeria, children, they don't have chairs in the classroom. They sit on the floor to learn. Now this country, this is a country when you go to general hospital, they will tell you say bed don't full, so they cannot admit you even when you are dying. This is a country where politicians are having headache. They don't fly, they don't go abroad. Honorary year, they don't fly, they go abroad. Funny enough, these people they are going to abroad to meet, they are Nigerians. Because they are not recognizing what they have. They don't admire what they have, and these things, they leave them. They split. The thing, they come off for their hand. If you don't admire what you get, you go leave, you come out. You go come out for Nigeria. They say they go hospital for abroad. You are going to hospital in abroad to meet a Nigerian doctor. Is that making sense? You keep on looting money you cannot even finish before you die. I don't understand. Nigeria does not belong to some particular individuals. This is our father's land. Today they are telling us Nigeria is broke. How? They are looting our money in trillions, in billions of dollars. They will tell us Nigeria is broke. There is no country in this world where not they subsidize one thing or the other. The only thing when Nigeria they subsidize for Nigerians, they don't take and come out for their hand. Politicians will tell you, endure. Don't worry, you will enjoy in your future life. Endure. Things will going to be better. What sacrifice are they making? What sacrifice are they making? If they see you speaking, they will come after you. They won't even allow those who are ready to do the work to redeem the country to come, because by then you don't put some sand for their garri. Which way? We keep on blaming ourselves. We don't use tribalism, religion, scatter the whole thing. we don't even know what we are doing. That is the truth. Today, Nigeria don't turn upside down. Nigeria don't turn upside down. It's so sad. The National Assembly would always have their way. Since the general public understand budget padding, they have switched now to budget underground. God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. We are now enjoying Jagaban government. Who else is not enjoying it? God bless our president and the graduate of Chicago State University. It don't matter, in Lagos State. I wish every one of us would join hands and buy one bag of cement each to enable Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu to build Nigeria just like the way he built Lagos. Someone just dropped that. Nigerians can be funny anyway. Northerners should please allow energetic and healthy president to concentrate governors where you guys voted for him, which means you guys have trust in him. Please make una stay one place. Okay, these are reactions from Nigerians. You say Northerners make una not dey complain. He said the Northerners make them not dey complain again. Say na they vote President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. They should allow him to do his job. But apart from that, I beg, truth being told, is Nigeria moving forward or backward? I beg, make a drop am for you. How na see this matter? Kindly drop your view below the comment section. Thank